We're prepping for Repel tomorrow. Phoenix is taking this very seriously. So this is my first Repel since I fell from a 35-footer 6 days prior. So I thought, well, might as well go for a 90-footer right off the bat. And that's what we did. Also trying out this mouth mount, see how it is for cliff jumping along the way. So that's why I have this goofy thing in my mouth. Yeah. Alright, just finished the 90-footer. Phoenix is coming down right now. And Parker and Evan already come down. Look at that. What a beautiful day. Alright, Brian. Last one down. First waterfall. Nice picture right there.